In tonight's Health Watch, every day new information is coming out about the pandemic and COVID-19, the variants and vaccinations.
Local 5's Connie Fellman talks with local health experts about the ever-changing situation.
With the recent spike in COVID-19 cases, talk of a highly contagious Delta variant, and a new school year just around the corner, a lot of people are on edge right now. I spoke with two local experts to sort out the very latest information and pinpoint what you need to know now about COVID-19.
So far, more than 12 months into it, the vaccines continue to be highly effective and holding the immunity.
As the medical director of pulmonology at Aurora BayCare Medical Center, Dr. Raul Mendoza has been on the front lines of the pandemic since day one. Mendoza says he sees the effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine every day.
I have seen zero patients that have been vaccinated and end up in the hospital with COVID-19 infection.
When it comes to the Delta variant, Mendoza says it is 6 times more contagious than the initial strain, which makes getting vaccinated more important now than ever. Even if you're among the rare 7 to 10% who get the vaccine but still end up with the coronavirus, Mendoza says the vaccine is what will save your life.
The current vaccines that we have right now pretty much guarantee you that you will not die. It will guarantee that you will not end up in the hospital.
Aurora BayCare pediatrician Dr. Donald Bino agrees.
So the vaccine is very safe. It's extremely effective.
In fact, Bino says getting vaccinated is the best way parents can protect their children, even those too young to get the vaccine themselves.
For parents and older siblings, being vaccinated definitely helps to protect the younger child.
As the upcoming school year approaches, Dr. Bino shares the very latest recommendations from the top docs for kids.
The American Academy of Pediatrics recently released their statement saying all children, regardless of vaccination status, should be masking in school, when indoors, full time.
Bino points to what we learned last year about the importance of simple hand washing, social distancing, and wearing masks.
Those are always going to be things that work. It's worked for both COVID-19 and, frankly, for all the other viruses that we just didn't see all winter long because people were doing those things.
Dr. Bino says Pfizer may have an approved vaccine for children as young as 5 as soon as this fall. As far as a booster shot, Mendoza says we're not there yet. What's more important to focus on, he says, is that getting more people vaccinated is what will finally end this pandemic. If you'd like to learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Fellman, Local 5 News.